Week 5 wrap-up, May 4th, 2018. Good afternoon, everyone. As we wrap up the 5th week of the 8-week session, it means that we have covered 5/8 of the class, or the equivalent of 2.5 months worth of work in a regular semester. Please check the schedule found in the syllabus regularly to know when assignments are due. I also post them on the Blackboard calendar. Please take a look at the chart below. A few reminders are in order. Cultural Geography News Discussion number 3 is due tonight, Friday, May 4th by 11:59 p.m. Cultural Geography Special Topics Discussion number 3 is due tomorrow, Saturday, May 5th by 11:59. These two discussions have been available since Monday. You have to remember that these are two different assignments, each worth 50 points if submitted by the deadline. You can always submit this assignment, but the further away you are from the due date, the more points will be deducted. Please remember to review the lectures posted in the modules, read the lecture slides, listen and watch the YouTube narrations of the lectures for each key issue. There are 4 per chapter. Read the respective textbook pages as indicated in the schedule. And last but not least, read the accompanying study guides. Study guide is a condensed version of the textbook. Think of it as the words the professor will speak in a face-to-face class while he lectures. Please remember to log in the course at least once a day so I can see that you are active in the class. Logging into the course is how I take attendance in an online course. Most of you are doing well with this, but there's a group of about 5 students who go on 5 or 6 days without logging in. I'm still grading your reflection number 2. I should be done by tomorrow. Have a nice weekend. May the 4th be with you, and happy Cinco de Mayo. Best, Samuel Cortez.